Hello, I am Nancy Cheney. I am the reading coach and specialist at Epic Charter Schools. Today we are going to be looking at 3rd grade Oklahoma academic standards, specifically the English Language Arts Standard 3.4.R.4. It states, students will infer relationships among words, including synonyms, antonyms, homographs, and homonyms. In this video, we are going to work on synonyms and antonyms. First, synonyms. Synonyms are two words which have nearly the same meaning and mean about the same thing. Our examples are huge, large, big, chilly and cool, tired and sleepy, quick and fast, and small and tiny. These are just some examples of various synonyms. Let's do some work with synonyms. I want you to circle the two words that are synonyms. Let's look at line number 1. Tiny, slow, big, small. The first word is going to be the one we use for one of the synonyms. Now we need to look at the other three and find the one that means about the same thing or is a synonym for tiny. Would it be slow, big, or small? Slow and tiny don't seem to have anything to do with each other. Big, that would be an opposite or an antonym, wouldn't it? So I believe our choice would be small. Tiny and small mean about the same thing and can be used in a sentence to mean the same thing. Number 2, we have walk, stroll, jump, skip. What would mean the same as walk? Stroll, jump, or skip. Jump and walk, skip and walk don't mean the same thing, do they? They're all ways to move around, but they're not a synonym. So our synonym would be stroll, which means to walk along slowly. Let's look at number 3. We have easy, hard, simple, small. Hard and easy, those seem to be opposites or antonyms, don't they? Easy and simple. Sounds good. Let's look at easy and small. No, they don't have anything to do with each other. So our two words that are synonyms are easy and simple. Let's go ahead with number 4. We have pokey. Would that be speedy, tired, or slow? What would be the synonym for pokey? Speedy seems to be the opposite again, or antonym, doesn't it? Tired and pokey? Couldn't be used the same. So we have slow. Pokey and slow would mean just about the same things in our synonyms. Number 5, we have skinny, thin, wide, long. That's a pretty easy one. Skinny and thin would be the same things or synonyms, wouldn't they? Number 6, begin, ending, start, answer. Well, I'm pretty sure that begin and ending are opposites or antonyms. What about start? To begin something or to start something? Sounds like a synonym to me. Good, we've worked through some synonyms. Now let's look at antonyms. Antonyms are two or more words which mean the opposite, completely different of each other. Here's some examples. Cold and hot, large, small, old, young, nice, mean. Those all mean completely the different or the opposite of each other and are antonyms. Let's work with some antonyms. We're going to draw lines to match the antonyms. We're going to match one on the left with one on the right. Let's start at the top left with the word fast. Let's look at our words over on the right to see if any of them would be the opposite or antonym of fast. Over, empty, slow, large, wet. The opposite of to be going fast would be to go slowly, slow. Look at the second one, under. Would it be over, empty, large, or wet? The opposite of over, to jump under, go under something, would be over. Now we have dry. We have our choices, empty, large, or wet. That's pretty easy. The opposite of being dry would be to be very wet. Now there's full, and we have empty and large. Large and full don't have anything to do with each other or are not opposites or antonyms, so let's see, full and empty. Complete opposites. A glass could be full or completely empty. And our last one, small, of course we'll go with large. Good job. Now let's review. Remember, synonyms mean words that are the same and have about the same meaning. Antonyms means the opposite, words that are completely different from each other. Thank you for doing antonyms and synonyms with me today. This is an introduction to using antonyms and synonyms, and there are many more that you will need to use as you read and compare things. Thank you for being here.